Bonus depreciation is a tax rule that helps businesses lower their taxable income by speeding up how they write off equipment costs. At its core, this is a tax deduction that lets a business deduct a large portion of an asset's cost in the first year. For 2024, businesses can deduct 60% of the purchase price of eligible property right away instead of spreading it over several years. Most tangible property used for business qualifies, including machinery, computers, and furniture, as long as it has a recovery period of 20 years or less. Standard depreciation spreads the cost out over the life of the asset, while bonus depreciation pulls those tax savings into the current year. This chart shows how a typical asset cost is recovered much faster when using bonus depreciation, front-loading the tax benefit for the business owner. Always consult with a tax professional, as business tax strategies should serve your long-term goals rather than just provide a short-term tax break. Thanks for watching. Remember that tax laws change frequently, so stay informed and keep your records organized for tax season.